Hey everyone, it's Blanc, and in today's video I'm going to cover a great affordable band watch. The one in question is the Xiaomi Mi Band 6, which is a great fitness tracker and it's a very good deal for the price it comes at. Jumping into the video, we will start with a quick unboxing. The Mi Band 6 comes in a really compact package that has a simple and nice black matte design. On the side of it, we can find information about some of its features. Opening the box, we will first find the watch itself, then a small manual with the setup instructions, a magnetic charger, and we are good to go. Having the watch in your hands, you will notice quickly that it's very light, but not in a bad way, as it feels and looks very well built and the materials feels nice to the touch. I went for this black matte version as I like the minimal look of it, but it's possible to choose between 6 colors: black, blue, orange, yellow, olive and ivory. Here we can have a first look at this beautiful 1.56-inch full AMOLED display with 326 pixels per inch that can be compared to the ones that are being used in smartphones nowadays. That makes it very easy to check for calls, text messages and notifications. For the first time, you can set the background to a picture of a loved one, a pet or your favorite work of art, so that every time you lift your wrist, your day will feel brighter. On the back side we find a few sensors and the area where the magnetic charger will have to be connected. I like this system that they use for the rubber strap, where you just have to make the pin click in one of the many holes that you have at your disposal to best fit your wrist. I think the watch sits well around your wrist and feels comfortable. It's perfect if you are someone who usually doesn't wear watches, as sometimes you even forget you're wearing it. To start the setup, you first have to download the Mi Fitness app. Then from there pair it via Bluetooth to your phone, and after that it's gonna be ready for use. Very easy and simple. To wake the screen you will have to tap on it, as it does not have any external buttons. Here we can admire the previously mentioned AMOLED display in all its glory. The screen looks very bright and it's really responsive to the touch. Here we can see different useful informations, including of course the time, the battery level, which day it is and the heart rate, plus a step counter. A nice tip is that you can actually change the style of the watch face by pressing for a few seconds the center of the screen. From there you're going to be able to select from a variety of designs, and you can download more from the Mi Fitness app. Swiping to the left or to the right, you're able to have 6 widgets that you can personalize in the app. I decided to have the weather, the music player, the torch, the alarm, the camera shot and the stopwatch. I must say that I really love having the possibility to take pictures from my phone remotely. Swiping up or down, you will instead find an overview of all the apps together with the settings and the information about the watch. From the app in your phone, you have control over different features. Here we can see that we can monitor lots of different things like heart rate, sleep and stress level. Scrolling down, we have many apps and system settings. One worth mentioning is the Workouts app that lets you choose between 30 fitness models. By turning on the app notifications, you then are able to receive alerts about messages and incoming phone calls, even if they are coming from apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. Another nice feature is that this is the only fitness tracker that fully supports emoji, and that is a small detail that I really enjoy. The battery life in this watch can last up to 14 days on one charge, and that's really impressive. That combined with the 50 meters water resistance that allows you to take a swim or a shower without any issues, makes it possible to always have the watch on your wrist. That's perfect, for example, if you're planning on monitoring your sleep, and makes charging very easy, as it only requires 2 hours to have a full battery. It comes with a nice charger that you can easily connect to your watch with the help of some strong magnets. Very simple and nice system. Considering everything that this watch offers, and the fact that you can find it for as little as £34, makes it a really good deal and value for money, and the perfect watch for everyday life. On top of that, it has a great design that looks clean and minimal, and makes it the best choice if you're looking for a good cheap fitness tracker. Thanks for getting to the end of the video, and I invite you to leave a like and subscribe if what you've seen has been helpful, and if you wanna see more interesting content in the future. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, Cookie out.